My name is Colton. I'm going to be showing you how to make overnight oats. One thing you want to make sure you have out is a 12 or 16 ounce mason jar. I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. First step is a cup of oats. And this could make a mess, so don't worry about it when you make it. You can clean it up later. Second step, a cup of almond coconut milk. Usually I do vanilla because I do not like the taste of chocolate in it because it tastes so weird. Further step would do a teaspoon of vanilla. If you have your measuring stick, get out. This is a very easy to do. I usually do vanilla just to give it a little bit of a flavor to this. Or just to make it a little bit sweeter stuff. I would usually do maple syrup just for taste. I can add a teaspoon of this to pour this in. Right. Right. A tablespoon of chili seeds. Then the final step would to be doing one for the cup of wild blueberries or whatever fruit you want to put into your overnight oats. Like mango, dark sweet cherries, or wild blueberries. I want to make sure it's a good amount. Right? I'll put the lid on them, and the ones who put the lid on them and you're all done making these, go ahead and put them in your fridge, and they should be ready by tomorrow morning for you to eat. Bye.